Hey everyone, how are you all? In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get your hands on LunarKey NFT. I know it's already minted out in like 2 weeks ago, and I will tell you how you can get your hands now on that. After you getting on your hands, you will get this kind of role, LunarKey mob. So I will tell you how you can mint now. So first of all, you have to go on your Google browser, any browser, then search Magic Eden, click on it and just wait for it. And now here search, you have to search lunar sorry you have to search lunar, I think my net is you have to search lunar key, and there you can see first LunarKey, the pink tick. Click on it and you will see here the LunarKey NFTs are on sale on the secondary market. You can connect your wallet from here and you can use Magic Eden wallet or MetaMask. First of all, you have to import your Plena wallet into your MetaMask, then connect it, and then after connecting it, you will see here, click on any NFT here, and you, as you can see there, here the best price is 32. Connect wallet and buy it from here. After you buying from here, just after that, just connect this wallet on Plena Finance Guild. So for the connecting to guild, click here, come here in the Discord, claim your role and join Plena Finance. Click on join Plena Finance, then click on can't join, and this will take you to the guild of Plena Finance, where you can see here, you can see here some roles like Plena Degen, Twitter friend, Plena contributor, and here you will see a role of Plena explorer, and yet here you will see LunarKey mob. Collect your that same wallet address here to get the role of the LunarKey mob. So don't forget to follow these instructions, and after that, after you connecting your that wallet which you minted uh, the LunarKey NFT, then here coming here and just click on this LunarKey, go to the server, and here it will take you to this server. After that, accept invite. After that, again go back to claim your role and just click on join Plena Finance. The bot will also detect your activity and it will assign you the role of the LunarKey mob. So after that, the role will show in with your name. So after that, uh, then go to the server of Plena general chat, and as you can click on your send some message and then click on your name, and you will see here you Plena Degen Plena LunarKey uh, Plena LunarKey NFT role. So don't forget to follow these steps and get your Plena LunarKey NFT now, and have a good day. I hope you like the video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day. See you in the next video.